So what we're going to do next is we will take our bowl of water, and everybody will have a go at this, and we want to make sure people don't drown the buns. There can be a tendency to put loads and loads of water in, you get a bit of a soggy bun. So we just want a light brush paint their bread with water, and this is to make sure that the seeds stick. We'll do all 4. Sometimes they can dry out before you get to the point of putting the seeds on, so you need to watch out for that and perhaps suggest a little bit of repainting. There we go. And we're going to go for some sesame seeds. So what we're trying to do is to get people to pick up their bun. This is a real challenge, and to hold it from underneath. Okay? And then to dip it in the plate of seeds and wiggle it. And then they have a lovely seeded bun. Okay? Now we're going to do each of these. So underneath, grasp with their fingertips, and then dip and wiggle. Dip and wiggle, dip and wiggle. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Up, clasp, turn over, dip and wiggle. There we go. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You might get just a little bit of seed here, gaps. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. And every motion can be congratulated, and every motion can be seen and rewarded. Beautiful. Okay. So there we have our seed-dipped buns. Just clear these out of the way. And we're just going to pop them on the tray to prove. I might use my trusty dough scraper just to lift them up. Now, if I place them quite close together, they will batch, and if they batch, then they tend to be a little bit softer because they steam from within. So if you need them to be softer than just sort of crusty rolls, then that's a good tip. Now, if you want, you can get people to write little labels on the paper and write their names and put them next to each of the buns if they want to have their particular bun. Or you can just treat it as a bread sharing activity for later.